the obvious jumping off point for today is Kobe McDonald. Kenny, you were there yesterday. 14 minutes, I think. 1-4 in 14 minutes or thereabouts.
Yeah, maybe 17 or 18 minutes.
Okay.
He
But
was
so much
averaging
talk. Yeah.
2 points an attempt before he brought it down again with another point later on. But 1-4 from 4 shots. It was incredible. It really did feel like a I was there moment. The roar he got coming onto the pitch from the Mayo support. They were 13 points up, and it was sort of similar to what Donegal do whenever Michael Murphy takes the pitch. And they were right, they've talked about this lad, but he was sensational. It just every time he got the ball, he did something with it. The goal he scored was incredible. I think probably has gone viral already. So he's an incredible talent, and Mayo are. They reckon they will have him this year for the championship before he goes down under to St Kilda, and if they keep him fit and well, he's a real threat in what looks a good Mayo team.
There'll always be players who will catch the eye of the Australians here because of the links between the two countries, of the links between the two sports, the two sporting associations. There will always be at least the corner of an eye of the AFL on what the GA is producing. It's not going to same as they were terrified when Sean White and Jim Steins and those boys and there it's not common to take over, but there will always be players and I suppose the sad part for us is that sometimes it'll be our best, the very best that we have.